Okay, so today we're going to go over creating a giveaway in the camera/photography niche. Now, this is a really good niche to have a lot of emails, a lot of SMS/phone numbers, because this is a really high priced product when it comes to cameras, camera gear, all that sort of stuff that goes into this niche. So one really effective way to create that massive email list is to actually run a camera giveaway. Now, there's something about camera giveaways that people love to win digital cameras. I highly suggest checking out this guide because it's going to show you exactly how to set up those giveaways. Now, a few things you want to remember when you're setting up your giveaway: make sure your prize is very relevant. So for example, if you are trying to target bird watchers, this is a very specific niche of photographers. You want to create the ability or the idea of all of the tools that they're going to need to create perfect, stunning images for bird watching. So you're doing the best camera for bird watching, you're doing the best software for editing that and sharpening it, rendering it. Make a package that's really gonna niche down on those specific types of photographers, because photography is very broad. So that's number one, niche down. Number two, make sure when you are running a camera giveaway that you're getting the most value out of those participants. So for example, you're giving away, let's say, a $500 camera or even a $1,000 camera. You want to make sure you're getting a good amount of emails and getting them to do a lot of different things. So when you're running your giveaway, think about how you can get more than just an email from that person. Get that person to complete bonus actions in your giveaway. For example, liking your social media pages, leaving comments on your social media posts, tagging friends on your Instagram posts, or uploading content to all these different platforms like Snapchat, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. Make sure that you're getting people to upload content there and tag your brand, or even, for example, upload them and post them to your actual page. There's so many different ways that you can get these participants to engage with you on social media. This is going to do a few things. It's going to make your content look a lot better because you're going to have a lot of engagement on it. It's going to make you a much bigger authority in the industry because you have a lot of engagement on all of your content and you've got people posting and tagging about you. And thirdly, this is a great way to build your followers, which you can not have to pay to reach. Even though it's a small percentage. And also, as you collect the emails, you can be seen in more places. So you can be seen in the email inbox, you can be seen on organic social media, maybe if you're running ads on social media. A lot of people also use this to grow their YouTube channel. So if you want to get more subscribers, if you want to get a longer watch time on your photography video tutorials, if you want to get more affiliate sales, all these different things you want to incentivize in your giveaway to get more value than just the email, because you're giving away a lot of gear there. So think about how you can create the perfect camera giveaway. Third thing to remember with camera giveaways is when you are choosing a prize, it's good to have a few options. So the first option could be like, hey, I just want to give the prize to the person who collects the most entries or points. Now, this is usually going to be awarded to someone who refers a lot of people, who completes a lot of bonus actions and that sort of thing. The next option would be to have a random winner. So just say, okay, everybody who enters, we're going to choose someone at random. The more points or entries you have, the higher your chance of winning. So that's another option. And then you can look at like maybe different tiers or different milestones. So for example, say you collect 1,000 entries or points, you get a discount on some camera gear, or you get a free Instagram filter, or you get a free Lightroom filter, something like that. Digital products are really good for giveaways when you want to give a milestone reward. Now, milestone reward really helps people get engaged because they're like, great, I've won something. I like this giveaway, I'm going to keep going. And it also allows everybody to win something as opposed to just the person chosen at random, or just maybe the top 1, 2, or 3 people who you're giving prizes to. So remember those 3 things when you're creating your camera giveaway. Be very specific with your prize and the people you want to entice into entering. Make sure that you're getting people to do more than just enter their email, because you are giving away a lot of value in your prize. So make sure you're getting the return. That's across social media, across email, across YouTube, all those different platforms. And then really think about how you can get your giveaway in front of as many people as possible. So encouraging people to share, posting it to your, sending it out on your email list, and also maybe possibly using influencers, so other photographers, to say, hey, this is an awesome giveaway going on, you should enter it. So those are a few tips on running a really successful camera giveaway. Let me know if you've got any questions below. We'd love to see your giveaway go live, so let me know if you want me to review it.